How to hide Instagram posts without deleting them. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide any Instagram posts without deleting them. So let's get started. So if you have any Instagram posts that you want to temporarily remove from your profile but not completely delete them, then I've got you covered. All you need to do is simply head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then you will be redirected to your profile. Now, all you need to do is simply select the post first. Let's say this is the post that I wish to remove. So simply click on these three dots at the top right. And here you'll be able to see an option that says archive. Simply click on archive. And now when you go back, you'll be able to see that the post has been removed from your profile. Now, if you have accidentally removed the post from your profile, or if you simply want the post back, then you're going to simply head over, click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And here you'll be able to see an option that says archive. Click on it. If you're on Stories Archive, you can click on Stories Archive at the top and then click at Posts Archive. And now here's the post that you just archived. Click on it and then click on these three dots again. And all you need to do is click on Show on Profile. And when you go back to your profile, you'll be able to see that that post has returned. So that's basically how you can hide Instagram posts without deleting them. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.